Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Buick Encore with remote. To begin, ensure your vehicle is completely locked before attempting to use the remote start feature. Next, locate the lock button on your key fob, often featuring the Buick logo, and press it. Immediately after, press and hold the remote start button, which typically looks like a circular arrow, for approximately 4 seconds. Your vehicle's turn signals will flash, confirming a successful remote start. For the remote start to function correctly, several conditions must be met. All doors, the hood, and the liftgate must be completely closed. Your Buick Encore also needs to be in the park position with the parking brake engaged. Once activated, the engine will run for a set duration, typically between 10 to 15 minutes, before automatically shutting off to conserve fuel and prevent extended idling. If you need your vehicle to run longer, you can extend the remote start time. Simply repeat the initial remote start procedure. Press the lock button, then press and hold the remote start button again. This will extend the run time, allowing the engine to operate for a total of 20 to 30 minutes. To cancel a remote start event at any time, just press and hold the remote start button on your key fob until the parking lamps turn off. Keep in mind that the effective range for your key fob's remote start is generally up to 200 feet, though this can vary based on obstructions. For even greater convenience, many Buick Encore models also support remote start through the My Buick mobile app, allowing you to start your vehicle from virtually anywhere with a cellular connection. Also, for those looking to simplify their week, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. You can find a link to these, along with other great deals, in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.